Howdy and welcome to the Mighty Millie Chuck channel. I be Chuck, hideous Chuck, Chuck from the Muddy Lagoon. Anyways, so I screwed up this morning. I screwed up. How'd you screw up, honey child? You always screwing up. What'd you do this time, baby? Well, I'll tell you. I had bought a stock called Jill. Now, Jill, which is also the name of my sister, by the way. I'm talking about the stock though. Jill operates as a specialty retailer in the women's apparel industry. Jill is a women's apparel brand focused on customers in the 40 to 65 age segment. The company operates an integrated omni-channel platform that's diversified across its retail stores, websites, and catalogs. And since this, crisis that we're in, it, along with other retailers, have had problems. They've had problems. So they've had to work out agreements with their landlords, to reduce rent. They've had to work out agreements with the people that holds debt on the company. And so it's a penny stock now. At one time, it was a good company, and it may still become a good company again if they can survive. I think they will become a good company again, but they've got problems right now. So anyway, the stock, it had done a day trade back some time ago. It went up, it went down, it crashed and burned. Okay, I didn't buy it during the day trade. I waited till after it crashed and burned, and then I bought the stock at 88 cents, which turned out to be too high. The stock dropped down to at least to 60 cents. It may have even dropped a little bit lower than that. I'm not really sure how low it dropped, but it dropped below the 88-cent point. It put the position in the red. So, but I bought it as a swing trade, and I set the exit price, and this is where I screwed up. This happened. I set the exit price during a period where I had been selling stock too low. In other words, after I sold the stock kept going up. So that's, you don't want to set the stock price too high. You don't want to set too low. You want to get that price right. You really do. It's a bad feeling when you leave money on the table. At least to me, it is. So I set the sell price at $1.90. Now, this morning when I saw that it was one of the leading gappers, the gappers up, I said, well, it's going to go up this morning. Is it going to go up to $1.90? Should I change that exit price? But I want $1.90. I want $1.90. That's what I want. Dang it, I want $1.90 on it per share. So I didn't change the exit price. You really want to change that exit price, Chuck. You should. You got it set too high. I didn't. And I didn't watch it. I went off and fixed breakfast and did some other stuff. So I didn't stay with it. I didn't watch it. So it's not like I could, jump in there and sell it when it reached a certain point it was dropping. I wasn't playing that, that game where you're basically just you're watching the stock, and when it hits the price, you set the price, you sell it. I wasn't doing that. I had already set the price. As a swing trader, which is different from being a day trader, when you buy a stock, you pretty much figure the exit price, you figure the interest price and the exit price. Now, sometimes it's probably smart to change that exit price. Like it would have been smart to change it this morning, but I didn't. So the stock got up to $1.50 something or the other. It got up there. It didn't get up to $1.90 though. It got to $1.50, and then at some point it crashed and burned. I think right now it's 78 cents, and I paid for the swing trade. I paid 88 cents for it, so it's already back in the red. I didn't sell it. I'm still holding it. I went back and changed the price to $1.40, the exit price to $1.40. So if it pops again, my exit price is lower. Today, I think it got to $1.56. I think is what it got up to, and I set my new exit price. I set to $1.40, which I knew it wasn't going to pop up to that today. Maybe in the future it'll pop up to it, and it may regain. I mean, they're doing their dangest not to go bankrupt. They're trying their best not to go bankrupt. Their management is good. They're doing their best not to go bankrupt. They do not want that shadow on the company. So they may survive and they may go back up. I'm going to be glad that I didn't sell the stock this morning. And at some point, I may actually raise that. Watching the company, I may raise that exit price up, or if it drops low enough, what I may do is I'll leave that exit price at $1.40, and if it drops back down, I may buy some more of it. If you know, I'll try to get a feel of it watching it. I'll get a feel of it first. If it drops back down low enough, I may buy some more of it, and then set the exit price for the new shares that I buy. Set that even lower than $1.40. Because you know the object is buying. If you're an investor, the object is to buy the stock. You hold the stock, and then when you get ready, when you want the money, you hope the stock is going up over a long period of time, and you sell the stock. That's an investor. As a day trader, you're basically you goes up enough. You think it's going to start dropping, you sell it. You watch those candles up and down. You try to buy low, you sell high. In a day's time, like I'm sure y'all watched that Ross Cameron on the Warrior Trading. He goes in and out of stock, in and out of stock. You know, that's a true day trader. I'm not a true day trader. I can't be a day trader. So I'm a swing trader, and the swing trader mentality is a little bit different. But you still want to buy and sell stock. You don't want to hold the stock too long. You're not an investor. I mean, you may hold in like I've got some stocks that I consider investments in the account. Not every stock I buy is a swing trade. Part of it actually is, you know, I think of the stocks as investments. In other words, I'm going to keep those stocks for a long period of time. But as a swing trader, the object is, you know, to buy and sell and to make money off every trade. I should have changed the exit price. I should have been happy with that $1.50 or $1.40. I shouldn't have been so damn greedy. Greedy cost me money this morning. It did. Dang it! Much thanks for watching and listening. I do appreciate it. You're beautiful people, baby. You're beautiful people. I want to.